students, welcome on the platform of Techno Herald Online. This is the second lecture of partial differential equations. In this lecture, we are going to see the solution of first order partial differential equations in general, and we will use the method of multipliers to solve the first order partial differential equations. So, let us start this lecture. Hello dear students. We are working on our module 3, that is partial differential equations. Up to here we learned the formation of partial differential equations and we solved some numericals on general solution of partial differential equations. In this lecture we are going to start the topic first order linear partial differential equation. We will be solving first order linear partial differential equations. So, the first order linear partial differential equations are also called Lagrange's linear equation. How the first order partial differential equation is written? So, a partial differential equation of the form P into small p plus q into small q is equal to R is called क्या? First order linear partial differential equation. Two cases may be there. If P, Q, R dependent on Z, then this is called quasi-linear. Okay, this is called quasi-linear. And if PQR are independent of Z, then called linear. Or linear partial differential equation. So what is the procedure to solve this equation? This is my partial differential equation. We solve these equations in 3 steps. The first step, procedure to solve. Procedure to solve. We will solve these equations in 3 steps. The first step, form the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. This is the auxiliary equation for solving first order linear partial differential equation. The second, say this is equation 1. So, solve equation 1 taking 2 equalities at a time. मीन्स अगर इसे मैं कह दूं कि पार्ट ए है, ये बी है और सी है, तो कितने इक्वालिटीज यहाँ पे बनेंगे? 3 इक्वालिटीज बनेंगे. तो क्या करोगे आप? एक बार ए और बी को लेकर सॉल्व करोगे, एक बार ए और सी को लेकर सॉल्व करोगे, या फिर आप अपने हिसाब से भी कर सकते हो. अलग अलग आंसर्स आएंगे लेकिन, ठीक है. तो ये क्या देगा? टू यील्ड u is equal to c1 and v is equal to c2. And the third step, so the final solution will be write the solution in the form, write the final solution in the form phi of u comma v is equal to 0 or u is equal to f of v. In these two forms we can write the final solution. The lower line is looking a bit clumsy, but I'm sorry, but writing here is a bit difficult for me. Okay, here this is written that write the final solution in the form phi of uv is equal to 0 or u is equal to f of v or phi of v or whatever function you want to use. So let us see how to use these rules. You first write the rules in your copy for once. This is my auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation मतलब क्या होता है? Intermediate equation. Okay, this is not the initial equation, not the final equation. This is some intermediate equation which we are using to solve our question. Next, एक बार में दो इक्वेशन, दो इक्वालिटीज लेके सॉल्व करोगे इसको, ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन को. उसके बाद क्या करना है, आपको जो सॉल्यूशन आता है क्या करोगे, दो बार सॉल्व करोगे तो दो काइंड ऑफ सॉल्यूशन मिलेगा. दोनों सॉल्यूशन को क्या करना है, u इज इक्वल टू c1 के फॉर्म में लिख रहा है. मतलब क्या करोगे, कांस्टेंट को एक तरफ करके क्या करोगे, बाकी सारी चीजों को एक तरफ कर दोगे और फिर दूसरी बार फिर सॉल्व करोगे, कांस्टेंट के बराबर बाकी सारे टर्म्स को कर दोगे. उसके बाद फाइनली सॉल्यूशन किस फॉर्म में लिखना है, फाइनली सॉल्यूशन लिखना है phi of u comma v is equal to 0 or u is equal to f of v or phi of v or whatever you want to write it as. Fine. So let us start solving some numericals on solution of first order linear partial differential equations. So the first question I have here is, let us start solving the first question. I wrote the questions already. The question here is y square z by x into p plus x into z into q is equal to y square. Given that